LMMS is transforming humanitarian service delivery. That's our tagline. But what exactly does that mean? Okay, let's say you're an aid agency working in rural or urban contexts, or even something in between. You're doing great work, and you have a new project that involves people, commodities, distribution, tracking, monitoring, and reporting. Sound familiar? Your project has been approved, and you are ready to go. This is where LMMS can rock your world. First things first, collecting baseline data. You know, creating a list of users, defining geographic location hierarchies, lists of warehouses, and distribution points. The stuff that makes all our lives easier in the long run. Together, we'll decide which system and equipment will work best for you. You'll love our specially designed software that runs on industry-standard Android devices that can scan and take photographs. And by the way, you don't need special IT people. We are what you call user-friendly. We train your staff, and we are available for the first deployment in the field if you want. After that, no worries, there's an ongoing support system. Let the registrations begin, in the office or in the field, or both. We collect name, picture, household location, conditions, vulnerabilities, special needs and child protection, gender, date of birth, relationships such as family and marital status, if they have one, government ID, mobile carrier details for mobile cash transfers. Yeah, we can do that too. We can track legal displacement status and, wow, health status. We can even check to see if aid is helping people's nutritional status. Each registered household gets a card with a unique barcode and picture, and each card holds a list of registered household members and proxies if there are any. The system is set up with a roaming server. Yes, that means LMMS can operate with internet access or without. Whoa, that means you can still use LMMS even when the internet is down. Like what happens in our emergency responses when things like earthquakes and tsunamis take down all infrastructure. The mobile device means you can be in the field collecting data or receiving data at your fingertips. Your mobile devices talk directly to your server, like instant, at the moment, within seconds, lickety-split. So, make the plan. This is where LMMS really starts to shine, when you lay out the worksheets, and bam! The system starts calculating. Sit back, relax, and enjoy seeing your data calculate before your very eyes. LMMS is designed to deliver food, cash, medicine, health kits, you get the picture, commodities, and services such as training and any point-of-service transaction. On distribution day, the field staff scans the card using a phone or barcode scanner, or search ID code, beneficiary name, or community. You verify the identity, the system automatically calculates what the recipient should receive, and you have a record of which rations go to who, when, and even who did the distributing. Hey, we can gather all LMMS data from different roaming servers and create a cloud-based LMMS server. The cloud server can now host multiple organizations' distribution, and there will be coordination to all organizations. This all works great to keep your organization's beneficiaries, projects, and distributions organized. But in many places we work, there are many partner agencies working together to meet various needs. Ideally, we all work seamlessly. But in fast-moving relief contexts, this often turns into a chaotic web of humanitarian assistance, with duplicate assessments, overlapping assistance, and vulnerable persons missed completely. LMMS does a great job capturing and reporting data for an organization, and has developed Lmms, a dashboard for multi-agency collaboration. With Lmms, multiple humanitarian organizations can coordinate assistance right down to the household level with all the proven LMMS functionality. First, all the beneficiaries are registered just once, so multiple assessments and registrations can be avoided. A central agency provides participating NGOs, local governments, or UN agencies access to the information they need to assess their target beneficiaries while protecting their private information. Only your organization can see personal and sensitive information about your project, distribution, and beneficiaries. Meanwhile, the Lmms system tracks what each household has received so that cluster leads or local government can see who has and hasn't received what. This cloud-based ClickSense dashboard of Lmms is a user-friendly interface that includes powerful charts, figures, graphs, and tables that summarize the registered beneficiary, targets, projects, and distributions of the assisted IDPs and refugees between multiple sectors, actors, and geographies. Your organization can get access to all of this information to help plan your projects. Lmms can be accessed anytime, anywhere. Just type the link, and you're in. Donors can also be users. And not only that, Lmms is a cutting-edge business analytics tool that can be accessed from any device. What about data privacy? Will I be sharing private information with others? The answer? No. Your organization can only see data related to the community where you work. Reports are waiting for you. Like this one, a favorite of ours. we can view who is picking up and who is benefiting from aid, in detail, by age and gender. It's a proud moment, and you and I both know this information can have far-reaching benefits. Oh, in case you're wondering, LMMS is multilingual. Did we mention LMMS was made by humanitarian geeks for humanitarian geeks? Maybe that's why it works, but the point is, it works. Tried, tested, and true. You want them fast? How about faster than you can finish your coffee? You want fewer mistakes? So did we. That's why we started developing this technology in the first place. Let's recap a little. LMMS helps you run 3 main areas. 1. Gather complete, accurate, and verifiable aid recipient registration information. 2. BRIMS helps you gather information all throughout the NGO's targets. 3. Enabling fast access to detailed reports and digital data for analysis, so that you can make sure the right kind of humanitarian work is being done. LMMS and BRIMS will save you mega time, mucho money, and lots of headaches. So contact us anytime to get more information, or get a cost estimate for one of your projects. Bye for now.